If you've got a kid that likes to be creative, work with their hands, and especially loves designing things and building things with cardboard, this little gadget here is such a blast.
It's a bladeless cardboard cutter, so there's no exposed sharp edges, which makes it feel so much safer, especially for something that actually cuts. And setup is pretty straightforward. You just plug it in and turn it on. I did have to tighten this top piece before using it, so that's just something to check when you first get it. It cuts from one side, so there's a little bit of a learning curve figuring out how to guide it, especially for younger kids, but it can cut through cardboard and paper up to about this thickness, so it works well for boxes, craft paper, and simple builds. My son's still getting the hang of it, so right now we're just practicing with basic shapes and simple cuts. It does make some noise like you'd expect from a small tool, and the extra attachments aren't super clearly explained, so there's a little bit of trial and error with those. But all in all, my son really loves it, and he loves this little drawer that catches all the cardboard shreds, which kind of turns into its own little sensory thing or material for other fun projects. You can use it for simple shapes like we are here or small scale projects, so it's something they can keep coming back to as they get better and learn the tool.
So if you have a kiddo that loves to craft, this is a really fun tool to have.